I want to take you back to when we did some vanilla cookies on the show. We want to thank the folks at Regal Products for making this one possible. I don't know if you remember those vanilla cookies back in the day. It was just like those Moorish cookies, yellow cookies that you eat and eat and eat. We made them with some Regal products, and it's so easy, so simple, it's perfect for that little Christmas snack. Check it out. Thanks to the folks at Regal Products for making this one possible. We're doing an old classic. If you remember those vanilla cookies, it's in a little blue pack. I think it's called vanilla cookies. I think that's what it was called. I can't remember now. Yeah, but they were just delightful cookies. It brings back boyhood memories for me. I was a cookie monster. Cookie Monster was, yeah, that was my favorite character. I loved cookies. Simple, simple ingredients, guys, starting with about 2 cups of flour. This is not a step that you must do. This is a step that I like to do because I just think the flour looks really pretty when it's sifted. So I kind of take my time to just sift the flour a bit. And I have some icing sugar from Regal Products. You can sift that through. This one will take it's much quicker. And icing sugar and custard powder. And now you just kind of want to mix that all together. As simple as this. I have butter that goes in there. I am going to try to now get all of this dry ingredients, flour, icing sugar, and custard powder, good Regal ingredients here, and I want to get it all in there. It's time to carefully mix these ingredients in the mixer. 1, you can just add a touch of bitters or vanilla essence. You see that crumbly texture you're getting there? That's what you're looking for. You see that? When it comes together in your hand like that, that's perfection. That's what you're looking for. Very simply. Spoonful, ball. When you roll the balls, you want to just press them out like this. Just a little press with a fork, just so it kind of flattens. And when this goes in the oven, 350 degrees, just for probably about 20 minutes or so, they will get lovely like these guys here. My little final touch to this, just because sometimes I like to be a little extra, I have some more icing sugar from Regal here. And I want to try and get a little bit of it in here. Let me see if I can get this as pretty as I want it. And I just want to dust